Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Ali Kiani. I am the student of Comstat University Islamabad WA campus. My registration number is FA20BCS090 and today my topic of discussion is about Sher Shah Park. Sher Shah Park is located near Aslam Market in WA and perhaps one of the oldest ones where it is said that Sher Shah horses was used to drink water since a long time. This well has been used by the passengers in the olden times to stay around. The soil of the region is very fertile because very much of the soil is water is available here. It is developed later much with the establishment of War Ordnance Factory after the independence of Pakistan and now becomes the second best city after Islamabad, which has a high literacy rate and nice living standards because almost 90% living here are the employees of the War Ordnance Factories. Even in later times after the creation of Pakistan when the region was declared as vacant officially by government of Pakistan in 1951. The word Kent was added to it. It was the time when Pakistan Ordnance Factories was established here. The only ammunition factory which in the form of a complex. Its one branch is established there, other in Haveliya, Kent that is situated in Sara division. Especially in summers, the visitors used to enjoy under the well the distant atmosphere, but now because of some reasons, the main door is kept locked and none of the visitors are allowed there. The well is unique in a sense that proper stairs have been constructed to get down into this well. In earlier times, passengers and the travelers plus amount all the visitors to the park could get down in the well and get situated by this. And big net made of steel is placed over the well. It felt so scary to sit down in the well from such a height, but it felt so sorry for the throwing plastic bags, empty cans and juice, empty boxes and such other junk inside the well which caused so much problems. Now we discuss the background of the Sher Shah's park. Sher Shah is a jewel in the crown of Wakand. It is one of the most beautiful gardens in Pakistan. It is especially important from its botanical value, which is a significant collection of trees, scrums, palms, and climbers are the hallmarks of this garden. In Sher Shah Park, about 8,000 trees, scrubs, climbers, and plant species have been planted of 62 families and 106 generics from animals to perils. Many varieties of plants species are present here. Some examples are boar trees, which are approximately 100 years old in front of Losar Bauli. Similarly, pilkan trees are approximately 60 years old, which are planted in the center of the park. Some other common species plant in the park. Now we will get detailed background of the Sher Shah Park in Urdu. अशोक आज़म के ज़माने से ही बरसगीर की बड़ी बड़ी शहरों का इंतज़ाम इंसराम बादशाह वक्त के हाथ में रहा है और शहर आज़म जो कि ग़ालिबन दुनिया की मशहूर तरीन शहरों में से एक है बतौर ख़ास हुक्मरानों की तवज्जो का मरकज़ रही है। ये शहरा वादी गंगा को बरसगीर की शुमाली मगरबी सरहद से मिलाती है और कदीम ज़माने से लेकर आज तक इस शहरा को मीशत में रीढ़ की हड्डी की हैसियत हासिल रही है। लिहाजा हर दौर में इस शहरा पर सफ़र करने वालों को सहूलियात में पहुँचाने पर ख़ास तवज्जो दी जाती रही है। इन सहूलियात में कोसे मीनार, सराय और कुएँ शामिल हैं। मुग़ल बादशाहों ने भी इस रवायत को कायम रखा और तमाम शहरों के साथ साथ पानी के निज़ाम को बेहतर बनाया और हर 3 मील के फासले पर कुएँ तमीर किए जिसमें बावली या सीढ़ियों वाले कुएँ बतौर ख़ास मुग़लिया दौर की ईजाद हैं। कुएँ से पानी निकालने के लिए सीढ़ियाँ बनाई जाती हैं जो कि पानी की सतह तक जाती थी। इन सीढ़ियों में जगह जगह कुशादा चबूतरे बनाए जाते थे जिन पर सरगर्मियों में मुसाफिर आराम करते थे। शहर आज़म के किनारे वाक़या लोसर बावली सिलसिले की बेहतरीन मिसाल है। ये पुख्ता ईंटों से बनाई गई और तकरीबन 100 फुट गहराई या पानी तक रसाई के लिए सीढ़ियाँ बनाई गई हैं जो एक गुंबददार मेहराबी दरवाज़े से होकर गुज़रती हैं। दरवाज़े के दोनों तरफ छोटे छोटे कमरे बने हुए हैं जिनसे सीढ़ियाँ छत को जाती हैं। दरवाज़े की पिछली तरफ 2 पुख्ता ईंटों के चबूतरे बने हुए हैं जिन पर मुसाफिर आराम करते हैं। इसके साथ जानवरों को पानी देने के लिए एक छोटा सा हाउस बना हुआ है। ये लोसर बावली 17वीं सदी ईस्वी के मुग़लिया तमीर का नमूना है जो कि शेर शाह पार्क में पाया जाता है। अब हम शेर शाह की शख्सियत पर नज़र डालते हैं। शेर शाह was popularly known as Hazrat Ila, was also the founder of the Suri Empire in India with this capital in Saskram in modern day Bihar. He introduced the currency of rupee. During his 7-year rules from 1538 to 1545, he set up a new military and economic administration, issued the first rupiah and tanka, and organized the postal system of the Indian subcontinent. After requiring detailed information, I can conclude that the moments have made a deep impression on me, and there is nothing to match the beauty of those structures. But the monuments must be looked after by the locals and also by the government so that they stand as a symbol of dignity and proud for the centuries ahead. And also these historical places remind some of the beautiful pieces of the history. And last, thanks for watching.